Welcome to ZenBasket. In this video, we'll see how to view and manage mail logs in your ZenBasket admin. Email notifications are messages automatically sent from your store to customers, so they don't miss important updates or activities. To get started, go to the Logs menu and select the Mail Logs submenu. Here you will find two tabs, General Mail Logs and Custom Mail Logs. First, let's look at the General Mail Logs tab. The General Mail Logs tab displays all store-sent emails with details. You can use the search bar to search for a specific template name or recipient email. To preview an email sent from the store, click on the View icon under the Actions column. This will show you a preview of the email content. To filter the mail logs, click on the Filter icon. You can filter the list based on template name, custom date, and status. You can also sort the general mail logs in different ways. Now, let's look at the Custom Mail Logs tab. The Custom Mail Logs tab helps you track and review individual email communication, including custom emails and campaign-related emails. You can view the sent custom and campaign-related email details here. Now you can easily view, filter, sort, and preview both general and custom mail logs in ZenBasket.
To know more, make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for your support.